Hello, my name is Teresa. I am going to talk today about TaskGuard. TaskGuard is an evidence-based Google ADK agent that safely validates SQL schema files, report actual validator evidence, and recommends a focused needs action. It was created for the Agents for Business track of the 5-day AI agent Capstone. The problem, software teams often ask AI assistant to diagnose validation failures. A general purpose assistant might guess, invent a code, execute an unsafe command, or change files before the problem has been verified. TaskGuard follows a strict workflow: audit, investigate, test, and implement. What it does, it receives a request to validate a SQL schema, calls the approve from schema validation tool, applies path and file type security control, runs the deterministic schema validator, captures outputs and the process exit code, distinguish pass, fail, rejected, and error results, explain failures using the return evidence, recommends one focused next action, and does not modify the schema file. We have a validate path schema request, and with that validation, we have the evidence that drop table statements are forbidden, table user profile must be snake case, and table post is missing a primary key named ID. Here is the architecture. We also have security control, a sec-only relative SQL path, reject absolute path, reject a no SQL file, reject missing file, and others. We have an example here, and with the result status. The status rejected, and we have the evidence directory traversal is not allowed. That is the project architecture. We also have some core files, agent PI, tools PR, validate schema PI. It requires Python 3.11 through 3.13 UV, a Google AI Studio Gemini API key. Google Cloud Billing is not required for the local TaskGuard MVP. We have the local setup. We run the TaskGuard locally. Also, we perform some testing. We run deterministic unit tests. And we have also unit tests and integration tests. There is an optional Vertex AI runtime, but I did not use it because requiring billing. There is the agent skill audit. This skill is an agent skill for a bounded security and test coverage audit. The audit verifies the implementation and identifies 3 missing security tests. There is a demonstration cases for the final submission. Valid schema passes, invalid schema report completes evidence. The current scope does not include a database, a front-end, a RAG, a multi-agent architecture, and there is a mandatory cloud deployment. We have a verified status, and we also have audit prompts and evidence and visual evidence. This material support the Kaggle write-up, the demo video, and the final budget anti-gravity audit workflow. Anti-gravity is not part of the TaskGuard runtime. It is used later as bounded read-only external auditor to review the repository against the specification, test documentation, and security claims. Any anti-gravity finder must be independently inspected, reproduced, and tested before a fix is accepted. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your time.